Good day mga ka-soldering. So today i-present lang namin yung mag-labor read lang tayo ng soldering paste Goot BS10. So itong Goot BS10 hindi to pang PCB or motherboard dahil sa medyo acidic siya. So it is best to use in soldering terminals and cable. So i-check natin. So, soldering paste for hobby electrical application. A surface to be joined that is oily or oxidized will prevent solder from spreading during soldering. This soldering paste removes such oil or oxides and improves wettability, assists soldering of electrical wirings and electrical components. Pasok! Ano rin yan? Huwag ko intindihin. Then, okay na?
Okay na. Okay na to.
So how to use? So need pala ng toothpick. So using the end of a match or a toothpick, apply a little of soldering paste to the leads that will be soldered. Then place the soldering iron tip over the leads. Then contact the solder against those leads. Then hit the solder if it blows freely. Then quickly remove the soldering iron and solder oil. So yun pala. So guys, ito yung check natin. Wala tayong assistant para mabuksan, but yan guys, nasa description yung specs nito at yung mga caution, pakibasa na lang po. Then, again, hindi po to sa soldering ng motherboard or PCB. So this is for soldering of cables and terminals sa mga heavy soldering ng mga cable. So usually ang mga gumagamit dito yung mga automotive manufacturer o automotive parts kasi maraming cable yun, o kaya sa hobby use din. Yun lang mga soldering. Good day guys. Ito po pag binuksan yung Goot BS10, so ganito yung itsura ng solder flux paste. So flux siya in paste form dahil maraming klase ng flux. May liquid, may phase form, may gel form. So ito in phase form, so para siyang paste, parang pandikit. Yun lang guys.